Welcome back to Life Mill Wife and Thursday's Cooking with Kevin.
Hello.
What you making today?
I am making some meatballs. Well, the meatballs are already made because we cheat. We buy pre-cooked. It's a lot easier. So we're making, this is something that we haven't made for a while, but we make quite often for potlucks and stuff like that. So it's meatballs with cranberry sauce, Catalina dressing, and onion soup mix. Now I know a lot of people probably doing the same thing I first did when Kelly said, "Ooh, let's make this." And I went, "It doesn't sound too good." But believe it or not, actually once it cooks and everything comes together, it actually tastes really good.
And it's really good on chicken too.
Yes, good on chicken.
Yeah.
So that's what we're making. So start out with a can of, you can use either jellied or whole cranberries, whatever you want. We just use the jelly. So out of the can. That's good. And a half bottle of Catalina dressing, which I can't really tell how much I used. That's about half bottle. And my pack of onion soup mix. And we're just going to kind of mix that all together.
You can use the new whisk.
Well,
Show the new whisk.
okay.
Because Michelle from Chicken on the Lake.
So we got the whisk. Where did we get it from? Some kitchen.
It was a kitchen store, I don't remember.
And it was on sale, so we paid like $3.50 for it.
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to see how it works. And the jury's in. I do not like it.
Well, I do.
No, I'm sorry. When I want to whisk, I like to be able to stir it. It's not for me. I already told Kelly that I didn't think I was going to like it because I guess if you're doing different stuff.
Eggs. Michelle does eggs with it.
That's fine.
Yeah.
But I can put just as much energy into stirring as pushing down on it. So
Yeah, but I like it.
well, that's why we're different. What do they say? Opposites attract.
We are not complete opposites, that's for sure.
Okay. So this has been heating up for a little bit.
Yeah, we're doing them in the slow cooker. And we're also going to be doing some basmati mice. Yeah, right. Rice. In the pressure cooker later today. And some mixed vegetables. So.
Okay.
And we've got this on high, and it's probably going to cook 4 to 6 hours.
Yeah.
And that was a box of 60 pre-made, pre-cooked Angus beef meatballs. We've used the Italian kind. We've used whatever we can get.
Okay.
All right, so that's it for the meatballs for the next 4 to 6 hours. So we'll bring you back when we're going to be making the rice and show you how we plate this up.
That's it.
All right.
Okay. So, meatballs been cooking for
A few hours.
a few hours.
I don't know.
I don't know, but they are pretty well ready. They smell really good. So we got our vegetables ready that we're going to be putting in our steamer that we do in the microwave. You just add a little bit of water to them.
The steamers are from Pamper Chef.
Pamper Chef.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to put them over here for now. The next step is the rice in the pressure cooker. We've never done rice yet in the pressure cooker.
And we've never had basmati rice.
Yeah.
We've always been the cheapos and bought the minute rice.
But it wasn't that expensive.
No.
So on the back of the basmati, it says 1 cup to 1 1/4 cup of water. But when you read the instructions for your pressure cooker, it's basically 1 for 1 for 6 minutes. So I'm just going to measure out 2 cups.
He's making a mess, see?
Without maybe getting it everywhere. Sorry, it's not the best bag to...
I think it's who's pouring it, not what the bag is.
Well, my honest opinion, I think it's the bag.
Yeah, the bag that the rice is in. Bump, bump.
I was thinking about the bag that's holding the camera.
Yeah.
Sorry, I had to make that joke. We are making an extra because we have a dear friend of ours fell last week.
Yeah, a few days ago anyway.
2 days ago. She broke her shoulder. And she's only got her left arm, which is not her predominant arm. So a whole bunch of us, we do a life group every Wednesday. Well, so we're all cooking suppers for her. So that's why we're making extra.
Yeah, she's an older lady, lives on her own.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
And we're just going to put some mixed Italian seasonings in the rice. All right, so that will be 6 minutes, and we will bring you back when we are plating up our meals. See you in a bit.
Okay, rice is done. See how it turns out.
That's hot.
It is. I'm trying to mix it up.
Good? Yummy.
I think it turned out quite well.
So we'll stop buying the cheap crap minute rice and buy decent rice. Now that we don't have to wait 45 minutes on the stove. So there we go. Yummy looking. Kevin will make the plates up, see how they look.
All right.
Did you drain the vegetables?
No, I haven't drained the vegetables yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm deliberately not draining them
Okay.
until I'm ready to serve them. Okay.
Okay.
You like your meatballs on your rice, right?
Yeah, but I don't need that much. That's good.
Kind of want them off to the side, right? Oh, sorry, buddy.
Brody, want to say hi? Say hi. Yeah, oh, that's a good boy.
I made it also you want.
That's enough. I'll take seconds if I want seconds.
Okay.
Looking yummy.
A little stickage on the bottom, but
Look at my plate. Looking yummy.
Oops.
Kevin's making a mess again. Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Are you in the way, Brody?
Oh, you're so quiet.
I know, he's so quiet. He's a tripping hazard. Yummy. Mixed veggies.
Yeah. So, I'm not having mixed veggies. I don't like peas. So, yes, Dorothy, if you watch this video, I did eat them at your house because it's one of those
That's
things.
enough. He was being polite.
I was being polite, but I do not like peas.
I don't know. When they're mixed with other stuff, I don't really notice.
Well, if it's in a stew or something, that's okay. I just
Kevin's just having green beans. All right. So there's our plates.
okay.
Take a bite. We're going to make some cookies after too, so we'll show you that. Well, you know, cookie dough, not from scratch.
There you go. Mm-hmm.
Yummy. All right. We'll see you in a bit when it comes for dessert.
Are we back?
Okay.
We're back.
We're back.
So after supper, I worked really hard to make these cookies.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, really hard.
Mm-hmm.
I did.
Did you need
Well,
to
I might have had a little help.
Did you have to use some scissors to open a package?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, that's hard work.
It was hard work.
Mm-hmm.
I had to use the scissors. I didn't cut myself.
Okay.
Okay, so these are a spring premium edition from Pillsbury. Cinnamon roll cookies.
Cookies.
So these will go in the oven 15 to 19 minutes. And
And we'll bring it back and we'll eat one in front of you. See how hard he's working at making cookies?
it's tough work lifting this.
Are you sweating?
Oh, yes.
Here's the first batch.
Well,
Looking pretty
I
yummy.
don't know what's harder. Opening a package, putting the cookies on here, making the cookies, or putting that in the tube.
Huh. That's all right. They smell like cinnamon buns.
Oh,
Yummy. All right. So, I know they're still hot, but I'm going to try it anyway. Oh my gosh. Take a bite. Mm-mm-mm. Yummy. All right.
Maybe actually I have to cool it down.
Yes.
Wow.
So, there you have it. Cooking with Kevin Thursday, and you even got dessert on this one.
Yeah.
All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.